Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raina, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Raina, and if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your notifications on to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today's video, I am here at Ulta, as you guys can tell. I'm going to be buying some new makeup because I threw away a lot of my makeup that I had, and yeah, so come and join me. I really didn't record a lot, but I'm in this aisle right now looking at other makeup that I'm gonna get, but this is how much makeup I got right now. I'll show you guys the rest that I'm probably gonna get, or just get this, but yes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm sorry I didn't film a lot inside. It was because also when I'm in stores, I just like to get the things and then leave, you know? And I only filmed a little bit, but not as much. But I'm gonna show you guys the things that I got because I wanted to try some new makeup, and the reason why I threw away most of my makeup and bought new makeup was because some of my makeup wasn't cruelty free, and it made me like really sad. I was like, fuck, like that's messed up. Sorry, I didn't mean to cuss anyone. Well, I didn't want to be using stuff that's been tested on animals, and it was just like it just like really grossed me out, and I was just like, that's like really messed up. And there's like a bunch of beauty gurus out there that don't really post about it, don't really care, and it just sucks and it's sad. I mean, you do you, girl, but you know, like that's just like, wow, that's just sad. But anyways, forget about those weird people. So the first thing that I actually got was the LA Girl Hey Hey Vacay eyeshadow palette. It's new. I love the blues, they're really pretty, and the browns and the pinks, super pretty. And I got the Essential My Skin Perfector Loose Fixing Powder 05 Fair. It was $5, buy one, get one 50% off, so I was like, okay, you know, I'm gonna get it. And then I also got the mascara, the Lash Princess Sculpture Value Mascara. I heard this is really good, and since a girl put it on, I was like, I gotta try it on, so I got it. And then next, I got the Morphe brow cream, like the eyebrow pomade, and the color Biscuit. I got this one. And then I got the e.l.f. Hydration Face Primer. I got this face primer for my face because I usually use my palms, but I want to try something different. You know, maybe it might change something on my face, or I don't know. I got the Stick Fix Blush. Actually, let me take it out and show y'all how it looks. And it's called Skinny Me. This is how it looks like. It's cruelty free. All the makeup I got is cruelty free. So, yeah. And there's the color. This is it. Oh, so beautiful. Yeah. Sorry, we're trying to get back home. Homegirl don't know the way. Got the GPS, man. Yes, period. Anyways, now I got the Kylie Jenner concealer, the color Stone. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Right now, all the Kylie stuff is on sale, so I was like, you know what? I need a new concealer. Let's go get it, and I got it. Last but not least, I got the Milani Fruit Fetish Kiwi Watermelon Setting Spray. I got this. And yeah, this is what this is all I got. And yeah, I know this video is short. So I'm ending the video now. I'm sorry that it cut off. I cut it off and like I didn't say like everything in the end, but I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your notifications on to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye, babes. You want to say anything?
Wait, ring the no. I gotta be more open, man. you serious?
It's okay, just say anything.
Freaking loud.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, bye guys.